Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. 2017 Land Rover Discovery. Doing some rear brakes. I've already put this in maintenance mode for the electronic parking brake. I'll have a description in the comments below and such for how to put it in maintenance mode and take it out of maintenance mode. So this side has the sensor on it, so this is going to be extra fun. Take off your caps. This one is going to be a 7mm Allen head. I'm going to take off the spring. These are easy. Yeah, starting to say stuff before it actually happens. Go figure. Right. Pop off there, pop off there. Now we take the sensor off. Sensor should just wiggle itself out the back of the pads. We can press the caliper in just a little bit. All right. Take it off, falls all apart. Nice. Like we got two different kinds, one with the clip, one with no clips. The one with the clip is going to be the one on the back. All right, start messing with this beautiful work of art here. It's going to go back through here, over there, over there, and to that connector right there. You may not be able to see all of this, just know where it goes. Just follow it around. Cuss at it every once in a while for why they did this to you, you know, stuff like that. Taking it out is the easy part, the fun part's put it back in. Small hands are fun. So on the back of the clip will be little Christmas trees. Kind of just snake your fingers back in there and pull them off. So they usually come off with no problem. But of course, problem. See this little push pin right here? Push in that. Yeah, I say that. So I'm gonna go back here, we can't see it. There you go. Just remember the routing. Match up new one with old one. Sometimes they change like this, the designations of where they go. So they're a little different. But so long as they go in the same locations, it's perfectly fine. So now we're gonna go in here. Line up the two spots. Brackets have little grooves that they just go and sit in. here. Oh, always fun. Shed a little light on the subject. There we go. That one in. See, this one's gonna be a little different. No spot for it. Come over here. This one's gonna have a spot for it. Sorry about funky camera angles. Here we go. Pop it in. All right. Before we get all of this intertwined back in there, I'm gonna compress this caliper back in. Let's see, should just be a simple compress because it is a electronic parking brake. Maintenance one's already in there. Yep. Squeeze in, y'all good. See, like I said, one does, and one does not have a clip located in it. Make sure the one that has the spot for the sensor goes in the back. Otherwise, you'll be hating life a little bit. They go all back apart. And clip. That much, just a little dab will do you. Outside pad, inside pad. Just kind of just sit into place, easy peasy. Back on. And we can route that sensor piece back in. It's gonna go like yay. Down there. So this one can go like yay. This little clip will just go right on. Just need a little more gumption, just like that. All right, I'm gonna tighten this end back over here, make sure that goes around the right spot, and be good to roll. I'll do that in a minute. Clip. These are a whole lot easier in the front. It goes in there like this, like this. Trusty pliers. Grab it right here. Make sure it stays in the hole, rotate it. Right there. Tap, tap, tap. And voila, all done. Have a good day.